All right, welcome everybody. Here we are for some strength training again. Let's go ahead and start with rotating and get warmed up. You can see I got my friend Waldorf with me today. He's kind of insisting on having that seat, so we'll let him have it for a little while. Or her, I should say. Push across. Up and over. Heel touch, comb the hair. Yeah. In and out with the hands. Reach up. Push your toes into the ground. And roll the hips around. You see yourself in there, Waldorf? Other direction. Forward and back. You're talkative, aren't you? Aren't you? Yeah, you got a lot to say. All right, good. So let's get started with the ball. We're going to get our ball out and we're going to put the ball between the legs. It's going to be right here. And we're going to start with squats. So sitting back, we'll have to wait until Waldorf gets up so we can do some seated exercises. Might be a while. We're going to do about 10 more of these. Last two. Excellent. Then we'll go up to the balls of the feet. Waldorf's a girl, but she's got a boy's name kind of. Tip Waldorf comes from the Muppets. The two guys up in the balcony. So she's a girl. Let's do about 4 more. Excellent. Then we're going to go to some squeezes, balancing squeezes. You can hold on or balance. We're just going to squeeze like so, about 10 times. Good. Other side, you can lean toward the other side of your chair if you need to move over. And just 10 more. Excellent. And then we'll go right back to the squats. We'll do 15 of those. Exhale up, inhale down. Five more. Excellent. And then up to the balls of the feet. Working the calf muscles here. About 3 more. Good. Now we'll do the squeezes. About 10 of them. Excellent. Other side. Good. And then we'll just roll the ball around you. I think we might be standing most of the workout. What do you say, Waldorf? Huh? You seem to like that chair, huh? Might want to get another chair somewhere. Other direction. Excellent. So let's get the weights out. We'll come back to the ball, so keep it handy. I'm sorry, yeah, let's get the weights out. And we're gonna do balance. We'll work the balance a little bit first. Balancing on one foot, we're gonna do the bicep curls along with it. So we'll do about 12 of these, and then we'll switch sides. There's 4, 5. Three more. About 15 there. All right, other side. Excellent. And then we're going to put one foot in front of the other and palms up, in and out. Now, if you want to work your balance, you can look at each weight to the side. That'll work your balance a little more. Couple more, keep trying. And relax. Be careful is all. Other foot in front. If you feel uncomfortable with the weights in your hand, just do it without weights and you can hold on more. You can do one hand at a time. Couple more. And relax. Next, we'll balance while we do the lat raise. So you're going to be here, and we're going to do lat raises like so. We'll do about 10 of them and switch. So that's 3. You could touch each time if you need to, or just hold the leg up. There we go. Looks like you guys are in luck. You can sit down soon. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and have a seat, and we'll do the sit-ups next. So you're going to be sitting forward a little bit, have the weights crossed, and just forward and back. Inhale back, exhale forward. We do about 15 of these. Well, now we got our balance and stuff out of the way. That's kind of nice. Squats. Let's do about 5 more of these. Good. Now get your ball back, and we're going to put the ball, keep your weights too. We're going to put the ball between the legs, and we're going to do some tricep kickbacks and squeezing at the same time. So have your elbows back, just to show you from the side. Elbows back, you're gonna kick it and hold briefly for each time. All right, here we go. Kick, exhale, kick back, and squeeze. Inhale, exhale. That's 4. 10 more. Relax those shoulders. Three more. Excellent. And then relax for a second. We're going to do some shoulder shrugs. So don't squeeze the ball or anything. Just relax and kind of hold it there. Good. And then let's do some kickbacks here. Pressing back and squeeze, kick back. And you can come back, but I got your chair. How you doing? She likes to hang out under the chair too. That's her like little spot, right? You can hang out under the chair. That's fine. I'll do this and you hang out under the chair. No, you can't get on my lap. Let's do 3 more. All right, overhead press. So again, just relax on the ball. I might have to bring my friend a chair. I'm sorry, I don't have one. What a cutie. Two more of these. And relax. Let's do some wrist curls next. All right, come on up. Yeah, keep doing your wrist curls. I got this cat here. I can do exercises with the cat on the lap. In and out. Yeah, you want to do them with me? All right, so let's scoot forward a little bit. And we're going to do a dumbbell press up and together. Nothing like exercising with the comfort of the cat. About 6 more. Excellent. And then we're going to do the reverse fly. You'll lean forward and you're just going to open up. Go ahead and squeeze that ball again. You're a crazy cat. Couple more. Last 2. And let's go back to the pressing. Up and together, down and out. Make sure you tighten that back so you don't lose your posture. Good, and then just hold it here, and you're going to go down and up. About 10 of these. All right, and then we're going to do this one here, the reverse fly again. One more time, and then we'll move on to the band. You can do the squeezes as you do the fly. Last two. And relax. All right, let's get the band out. Yeah. You little kitty kitty. All right, we're gonna do a chest press next. So behind the back. You can see I do whatever it takes to take care of these cats. All right, behind the back, we're gonna do a chest press. If you need a little comfort, we'll give it to you. Pressing out. Last two. Excellent. All right, take the band out of there. Over the shoulder, tricep press down. So this is for your triceps. And what we're gonna do is hold on in front, just pressing straight down. Good posture. This way, Waldorf. Right here, right here. All right, other side. Cat in the desert here. This one, this one. There we go. All right, we'll get through this class one way or another. Cat's always fun. I enjoy them. My cat, though, was never that crazy. I like to show up for the videos, but not on my lap. Let's do 6 more. Excellent. All right. And then we're going to do bicep curls. You have a choice here. You can do it seated, just like so, with the underneath your foot, or you can stand with me and do the balance thing again. So here I am with one foot. Same thing seated, just make sure it's underneath your foot. Make sure it's underneath your foot so you don't want it to hit you in the face. 1 foot up if you want to balance, or you can just do it this way. It's going to work your lower back a little bit too. You could also bring the foot up each time. Give it about 12 more. Excellent. Other side. And 12 on this side. Excellent. Let's just go back and forth. So one more time. Work that balance if you want. 12 more. One more. Excellent. Make it as hard as you need. Work at your level. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and have a seat. We got one more for the outer hips with the band. And so we're going to have a seat and wrap up the hips, just like so, over the top. Make it tight, and then pressing out. And relax. Walk your feet out more. We're gonna do it one more time. Just make it tight. Give it about 10 seconds. Good posture. One more deep breath. Here we go. Out and in. 10. We'll do about 15 of them. Excellent. All right, let's take the band out of there. It's time to stretch. So we put the right leg out to begin with. I'm going to show you from the side. Good posture, deep breath in, toes up, and just stretch the back of your leg there. And rotate your ankle. Other direction. Point and flex. And other leg out, deep breath in. Take another breath. And rotate that ankle. Other direction. Point and flex. All right, then we're going to come back to center, stretching the inner thighs. Keep the back nice and straight, just lean forward. And then facing the side, one leg back, reaching up. And then bring both feet to the side. Just take a couple breaths for each of these. Pull yourself back, twisting. Good, and then back to center. We're gonna face this side, one leg back, reaching up. Same hand as the leg that's back. Stretch that hip flexor right here. Take a couple deep breaths. And then bring both feet to the side. Grab onto the back, rotate. And back to center. All right, last grab the triceps. Just pushing back. And other side. All right, let's take a couple deep breaths. Excellent job. Inhale, reach up. And exhale. Inhale, reach up. And exhale. All right, always keeping it different. We got workout with Waldorf today. Thanks for joining me. We will see you next time.